Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to hide story from someone. So if you want to stop a specific person from seeing your Instagram story, you can hide your story from them without blocking or unfollowing them. So here's how: open Instagram and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and go to who can see your account. And from there, select story, live, and location. Now tap hide story and live from. Next, search for the person you want to hide your story from and select that. Next, check the box at the top right to save it. And that's it. So from now on, that person won't be able to see your Instagram stories or live videos until you remove them from the hidden list. You can also hide your story directly from someone's profile by opening their profile. Then click the three dots in the top right corner. Next, select hide your story, and that's it. So that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.